What features should be mentioned about BUBLUE BuVortex V5 Robotic Surface Skimmer? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features: deep and powerful cleaning with BlueHole tech, equipped with advanced dual-layer filtration basket plus filter pad. BuVortex V5 Pool Skimmer Robot effortlessly captures everything from leaves and twigs to oil and sand. Its massive 5 liters filter box holds over 350 leaves, while the built-in overflow prevention net keeps debris securely inside. No more mess during movement or stops. Dual cleaning modes with intelligent edge focus. Choose from auto mode for seamless surface coverage or corner boost mode, where the cleaner pauses after wall contact and deeply clean corners for 15 minutes using our industry-first BlueStream active suction tech. AI-powered BlueSonic Path ensures optimal coverage. App control with real-time monitoring, connect via Wi-Fi or Bluetooth and take full control with just a tap. Dock the cleaner, switch modes, check battery levels, and receive alerts in real time all from your phone, with OTA or over-the-air updates. LED indicator lights make nighttime retrieval a breeze. No more getting stuck at skimmers or steps, thanks to its uniquely engineered shape and dual-motor smart escape function. BuVortex V5 Pool Skimmer Robot glides past skimmers, steps, and other obstacles with ease. Unlike traditional surface cleaners, it won't get jammed or trapped. Built to last and ready for any pool, BuVortex V5 Robotic Pool Skimmer works with all pool types up to 538 square feet and is built from UV-resistant, eco-conscious materials. Every unit is rigorously tested for durability, and with a 2-year warranty, your investment is protected. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.